Hello guys, welcome back to Weekmix Media. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Enjoy today's update.
Hello, trust you're doing good. Today I'm taking you straight through United Showbiz last Saturday's edition our platform. So a whole lot happened. One moment happened, I get see a lot of people talking is the incident that happened between MzGee and Mr Logic. So Mr. Logic was given the platform and man was talking over issue B and I said over a topic B at that board. So whilst man was talking now, we MzGee cut him said, nah, bro, you don't talk too much these days. Bro, even like these days in India, as well as get people boring. People out there say we are boring. What they say? Time or Yahweh, into no casantem make we start going and I say make we move to the next thing I will show. So Mr. Logic didn't find this cool amount so ebufu ya na aja kasa bibiri or platform so my video know how I'm going to be taking through it. I don't want to talk much about this incident that happened between Mr. Logic and MzGee. Just want to take you through your bar now your passing and so your comment over it.
Expect them to explore the world. You can't, because you can't take a song from Ghana to America and then you are working with just your name. Your song is all you have as a musician. Number one, we have problem with our songs. Number two, the issue of funding is one of the key problems we have. But I say if you say our people, they should make it. Where is the backup? Nigeria never to me call O2 Arena no buku Davido okay, most of his shows are on not to be the buku venue before crowd promoters where they show interest. How many of our people can even afford to pay all these hundreds of thousands to book places?
I saw you on I know wrap up
I know guys
before you on into Casa will be in Tibium into Pacho Yenin.
I mean, this is no, it's wrong for you to say that.
Me,
you only have that my consent because so I am making my point. You can't say in term. This thing, MzGee, on first time I need to tell you this. No, it's your show. You are moderating. You cannot tell me what.
It is 12 midnight. I did everybody 1 minute. You have been speaking for too long.
You know what? MzGee, don't come back to me to speak. I won't speak again.
Okay, that's fine.
Don't come back to me on this stage. I won't speak again. What are you telling me?
I bought 12 midnight.
So what? 12 midnight. So what? Did you time Kewa? Did you give him time?
You've spoken more than everybody else. In fact,
where's your timer? Where's your timer? Because of Father Dixon.
So if Father Dixon is giving me instructions from behind, so I represent Father Dixon. No, I represent Father Dixon here. If he says I'm that's fine. But to go to the extent to tell me say
the way you address me, do you know the MzGee?
So the way you
Mr.
no problem. I don't.
Yes.
It's not a big deal. What do I think?
So address me with respect and I give you that respect.
So when you TSC Father Dixon and
I have a lot of respect for you, but tonight you made me lost it for
you. You lost the respect for me. That's fine. But I'm
telling you, you know the way I like you and I respect you.
No,
you don't know
this is a professional environment. It doesn't have anything to do with likes or
really. Then that's why I dealt with you on the same measure.
So for you to say to me, say I should learn on the job. No, I don't think it's a fair statement to me. If you come to a show that's an immature is hosting, then you also are not qualified to be on the show. Basically, that's what you have said. So don't sit here. I think last week Mika said the money dia konomundi nko dia ka chenu ye bon ho ban. I see people come and sit on this show every time, say things, and I've been told to hold my peace. I don't think that you can throw. No, I'm not talking about you, but I don't think you can throw my 10 years of experience away by saying by the time I knew you then. It is not fair.
How about my 20 years?
That you tell me say I should learn on the job after doing this over 6 whole years. I did with
when
you.
When you told me that my comment is making people sleep at home,
I didn't. You see, that's what you don't understand, and that's what I've been trying to. Please, that's what I've been trying to explain to you. I said bunny tail, na sena or yawning.
Thank you very much for staying true to this end. So to me, MzGee and try that was unprofessional from MzGee's side. And then only Mr. Logic was some personal issue being on good be platform because it was obvious. Said MzGee as a platform now, Mr. Logic tisu de biano nani nje as a platform now, Mr. Logic crack kasana said the hoye na hibi ni ade. It was obvious from the way ana all kasa to Mr. Logic, what I say because the meaning is a time of you are and as a platform be to say as a host o person will save you time now if it's a time of we maybe I will give you platform to one person tell the person say Akwasia, and as Akwasi, you have 2 minutes, you have 1 minute to make your submission. You have 6 minutes to put your comment across. What I say, if you don't give this time frame for the people to follow, instead of a basic program time, then you go at the person like that. What I say, it is wrong. At least to be like I say, Mr. Logic, show what I say, but the way she put the question, it was no for me. I think that MzGee was unprofessional from there. You know, me also so no hanoma. I sure say watch a video that will do some pempe. So every person will leave you comment below in the comment section. What share what concerning this matter. MzGee right cry na and I say Mr. Logic so no okasa too much said the MzGee can. Share what in the comment section. Remember if you like, subscribe, and turn on notification bell as well. So say anytime when we drop new updates, you will get them on your device. My name is Andy. Bless you for always staying up here with me. I'm out. Bye bye.